So in this video, we want to have a look at how we can buy XRP in Australia. I'll quickly run through a few of the fundamentals, the big news stories that are coming through at the moment, have a look at it on the charts and go through some technical analysis of where I think it could go and the potential it has there against Bitcoin. And then we'll have a quick look at how we can buy XRP through Independent Reserve in Australia, one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I'll have the links to Independent Reserve in the description down below, so you can click through to that and get your $10 of free Bitcoin when you sign up and verify your account, which you can then later on sell straight for XRP and get yourself started in that space straight away. So without further ado, I'll mention this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And if you do find some value from the video, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe down below. So with that said, let's have a quick look at the news and then into the technicals for XRP and then how to buy XRP in Australia with Independent Reserve. So let's quickly have a look at what the potential is with XRP. Basically, we're just looking at the conclusion of what the price predictions are for XRP in the coming years. So just looking here, they've got a quick little chart, and in 2020, potential high at 90 cents. So we ended up getting to about 80 cents and the low was around 11 cents. 2021 prediction is at around $14. Potential low of 50 cents. So even at the lowest end, we're still up. Basically, XRP at the time of this recording is at 50 cents. 2022 looking at 26 bucks. So I guess they're banking on the fact that it might double from 21 to 22. And then into 23 to 25, looking at 100 bucks. Now, I'm not saying these things are going to happen. I'm not even sure that we'll get to 100, but I do see the potential with XRP increasing in value against BTC. Now, the next big news I've got here from Cointelegraph, many of us would know, this is the reason for the recent spike up to 80 cents. XRP price still stagnant, so it's looking like a reasonable time. We're not buying in it at the hype at the 80 cents, but it's come back down to 50 cents. Maybe we'll even see it go a little bit lower because there was a recent blockchain snapshot of XRP holdings for the airdrop on the Flare network. So have a read of that. That's pretty much one of the big pieces of news where you would get 1-for-1 of the airdrop from the Flare network if you were holding XRP. Now that we've seen the hype run out of this whole Flare network airdrop, it might be a better time to be buying some XRP. Of course, not financial advice. We're gonna have a look at how we're gonna do that in a sec. But basically, on the chart, we are starting to come back down to some more reasonable levels after a massive pump up from that 16 or 1700 Satoshis all the way up to 4,400. So it's much better to be buying it low and selling it high, of course. And overall, I've talked about this before as well on the channel, XRP versus an Ethereum video, so you can check that out. But XRP looks like a great token to buy low and increase your Bitcoin holdings. So I'm not sure whether you're an XRP maximalist or not, or you're just using it to flip and get more Bitcoin or Ethereum. Either way, it looks like a pretty good buy at these levels. This is where we're at now at this yellow line. So anywhere under here, buying seems pretty decent, and then waiting for these big pumps where we get the returns. And then later on, maybe selling some out and holding it in Bitcoin or some USDT, something like that, to then purchase back into XRP and increase those bags. So that's what I'm seeing short and long term. I think there's some good potential here. And then long term, it looks pretty good. If we just go with history, there's some big pumps from XRP, but then it flattens out again. So get on those pumps, increase those bags. Now let's have a quick look at how to purchase XRP with Independent Reserve. So you want to have an Independent Reserve account. If you don't already have one, there's a link in the description down below that you can use with the referral code from my channel, and you'll get $10 of free Bitcoin once you sign up and verify your account. Now with that $10, you can sell it straight away, buy yourself some XRP or anything else they have on their site. So this is the first thing you need to do, just create an account. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on the channel about how to buy Bitcoin in Australia, and that will go through the step-by-step process on how to do that. It's a pretty straightforward process, 3 steps to signing up. So we're just gonna go straight towards buying the XRP and holding it on Independent Reserve for that purpose. Once we've logged into Independent Reserve, this is the first screen that always comes up, trade, which helps us out pretty well. It's like the first thing we want to do if we have some cash in our account. And if you do, you'll see it up here. See some Aussie dollars, US dollars, New Zealand dollars, Bitcoin, which will represent what crypto you are on. down this left-hand side, so you can select any of these down the left-hand side, and then that will show up here, and then any other cryptos you are holding on the platform will show up next to that there. So if you don't have any cash in the account already, you need to go through to accounts. And from accounts, the easiest thing to do is just hit deposit. This will show up for your deposit of funds, AUD, into your independent reserve account. So then you can go and buy whatever crypto it is you want. In this case, we want to buy XRP. Now, this is the more advanced way to purchase XRP, but you're going to save on the fees. Just go to the top left hand, hit XRP. Now we're under trade, remember, so we see trade XRP AUD. That's what we want because we have AUD in the account and we want to buy some XRP. Buy at market is just going to get you the best price that's on the market, and say you want to get 100 XRP. You can see here straight away, 66 bucks. The fees are just down here as well, 30 cents, because it is 0.5%. So one of the best fees in the industry as well. It's all transparent here. You can see it straight away, and you just hit preview buy order. Now, if I hit place buy, that'll just purchase the 100 XRP like that. If you didn't want to buy XRP at the market price, you can always go buy limit, then put the amount that you want. So we want to hit 100 again, and say we don't want it at 66 cents. We think it's going to go lower and we want to get it at 60 cents, for example. So we just hit 0.6, and then we would just hit preview buy order, and that's going to give us our buy for 100 XRP at the nominated price that we want. So we don't have to buy it at market. That's the beauty about this slightly more advanced way of setting our market orders for XRP. So if I hit place buy, it's just going to sit me in the list until XRP hits 60 cents. If it doesn't hit 60 Aussie cents, then we won't get filled. So keep that in mind as well. Now the opposite applies if we want to sell XRP. We just want to sell at limit. We've bought it at 60 cents, say, oh, we want to get rid of it at 90 cents. So we hit 90 here, we've got 100 of them, and we just hit preview sell order. And of course, I can't do that right now because I don't have any XRP on my account, but you would basically be sitting at the top there, and then if the market came up to it, you would sell out and essentially make your 50% profit if you bought it at 60 cents. Now, if you didn't want to wait for that and you just wanted to get out of XRP straight away, then you would just go sell at market, put the amount you want to sell, preview sell order, and then go through with it. And you would basically pick up the price here on the buyer side because these people are waiting to buy, and you would sell 100 at 66.043 Aussie cents like that in one hit. Now, I'll show you the easier way to buy and sell. And now the slightly easier way for guys who are just starting out, the beginners, you can hit buy sell up here, and then you've got Ripple XRP just to the side here. So we're just going to hit buy XRP, and that's going to bring us up another screen. And this is just a cleaner, easier looking screen. All right, so we want to do the 100 again. We want to switch to buy. So we want 100 XRP, and that's going to tell us here how much I'm going to spend, 66.68. So if I hit buy, that's going to buy it straight away. It's confirmed like that. I don't go through it to a preview screen. It just buys it straight away. So yeah, we've got that 0.5% fee on the trade, and I believe this one might be just a touch more, but it's not too different. Like we could see here, it's 66.67. Now if I quickly go back to trade, and I'm just going to leave it play out here so you can see it all loading. Buy at market, I'm going to go 100. Where does that get me? 66.62. Okay, so it was 7 cents different, which is what, 0.001% or something so minor, 0.1%, not even, because it's only a few cents difference. So you can see the difference there, not too much in it, but this one allows you to do buy limits and sell limits in case you didn't want to buy it at market and you want to buy it at a particular price. That's really, really handy. So that's how you buy and sell your XRP through independent reserve. Last thing I'll note is your XRP is going to show up here. So it's under accounts. You can come back and have a look at it here. I did say at the beginning, you can leave it on the exchange. Now, personally, it's up to you, but personally, I prefer not to leave a lot on the exchange. You can see how I do have 2 Ethereum, but overall, I would be hitting withdraw and then sending it to another wallet. Now, I'm going to do a video up on the channel, so stick around and subscribe, and I'll talk about different cryptocurrency wallets which aren't the exchanges. So you can keep it on the exchange, but it's recommended not to. You want to hold on to those private keys yourself, and I'll talk about that in another video. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you did find value from the video, appreciate a like, because it does help the channel out in the YouTube algorithm. It's the best way you can support the channel for free. Now, if you do have any other questions regarding how to buy XRP, how to sell XRP in Australia, how to store it, how to withdraw it, how to transfer it, pay people with it, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you don't have an account already, be sure to see the description for the Independent Reserve referral link where you can get yourself $10 of free Bitcoin when you sign up and verify your account. Of course, then you can go ahead and buy yourself some XRP and play around with the platform itself. Guys, I appreciate you following along for this video. I hope you found it useful and entertaining, of course, educational. So yeah, look, if you need anything else answered, let me know. Comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Independent Reserve is the link, and I'll leave it there. So until next time, remember to have more fun, to get more done. Peace out, guys.